Now we are going to assemble the water pump. Yeah, this is the water pump. Remove them. Here's the gadget. Get this connector from the pack. Okay, and then get your PT socket and then screw it into your PT socket. Yeah, don't have to be very tight, just nice to go inside. And then get your water pump. There's an outlet hole here, and then connect the black connector to the hole. Just push it in. Nice and firm. This is removable, detachable. Yeah, you don't have to put. You don't have to worry if it's not tightly fixed. Yeah, so you just have to push it in. Yeah? It's a friction fit gadgets. Right. So you're ready for your water pump. We're going to put the water pump into the growing bucket. First, remove the PT socket first. Yeah, just twist and open up. So insert your plug point through and pull it out from the side. And then finally put your pump into the center of the vertical holder. Now we are going to fix the PT socket to the water pump. Just press it in and leave it in the center. Close the lid of the growing bucket, and this is ready for you to use when you are ready to do transplant. So for now, you keep this aside.